What's good, everybody? It's your girl Mo, and I'm dropping another quick video. I'm trying to make this video as quick as I possibly can, and you guys know that I can talk. I can really talk. So basically, let me get comfortable in my chair here. Basically, I want to come to you and tell you about the differences between a raster or a pixel-based logo and a vector-based logo. I'm going to go to my website, immaculategraphics.com, basically to show you guys, it's the first one right here, that you can go under the FAQ and get these same definitions that I'm about to explain. I have a little Immaculate Graphics dictionary, a little short dictionary of some of the terms that I think people have a lot of confusion about. I see a lot of confusion about the pixel and vector-based logos. I have a lot of questions. A lot of people, what's the difference? And, a lot of people don't know about them. But basically, a pixel-based logo, the term pixel is actually short for picture element. These small little dots are what make up the images on computer displays, whether they are flat screens or LCDs or tubes. So, which are short for CRTs. Okay, monitors. The screen is divided up into a matrix of thousands or even millions of pixels. Typically, you cannot see the individual pixels. Sorry, these big old lips getting in the way, man. So individual pixels, because they are so small. And we're going to go down to vector. Vector graphics are comprised of paths, which are defined by a start and end point, along with other points, curves, and angles along the way. Here's a side note. A vector is made up of points instead of pixels, allowing an object to be stretched large as a billboard or small as a business card without any blur or distortion, aka pixelation. So basically, compared to pixel-based logos and vector-based, just think about it like this. Simple, easy and simple. Pixel-based logos cannot be stretched or shrunk without losing quality. Vector-based can. So, pixel-based logos are your low-quality logos. Vector-based are your high premium quality logos. So I always encourage people to go for vector-based logos, even if they cost a little more with whoever you're working with or my designers. I really would push you to go to making more vector-based logos instead of pixel-based, because unless you're gonna keep your logo the same size forever, then a pixel base is good for you if you're gonna keep it forever like that. But if not, then you want to stretch it to have longevity and get the most juice you can get out of that logo. It's gonna be a vector base. So let me just show you some things that I pulled up right here. What happens when an image size is increased from its original size? This is a raster image. Basically, it's a pixel image. That's another name for pixel base raster images. They come with the extensions of JPG, PNG, GIF, and JPEG. Oh, that's a tongue twister. But yeah, they come in the extensions of these. So if you see these on the end of extension of your name, your file type, then you got yourself a raster image. So basically, if this was the original size and you wanted to zoom it up for any reason, a t-shirt, buttons, anything, if you wanted to squeeze it up or squeeze it down, if you squeeze it up, it's going to be like this. It's going to look just like this. You see how blurry it is? This, it's distorted. It looks horrible. So you'll have to go back to this. You cannot stretch it without it looking hard, because those pixels, how many ever pixels, the thing with pixels, let me go back. Let me run back. The thing with pixels is You remember we used to get up on our grandmother's TV or any kind of old TV and we see these little dots and those little squares and sometimes they'll be green, yellow, red or something like that. Those are basically pixels. And the more pixels we have, the sharper image, the more HD our image will look. So these high quality 6K, 4K, 8K TVs and stuff like that, they have millions of pixels, thousands of pixels. But if we have just a few pixels, a couple of hundreds, you know what I'm saying, then our pictures will come out more blurry. It'll come out blurry. So when we stretch our original design, when we stretch it up, those pixels you don't add pixels. You stretching that pixel, so it's gonna get blurry, and there's not many pixels anymore for that size of a scale, that size scale. So if we hop over to our vector images or vector logos, that's what we're talking about. Vectors do not have pixels. They are made up of paths, so you can stretch it. You can stretch it as big as you want to. You can stretch it back down as little as you want to, and it'll still look the same. And that's just flat out it. That's it. And AIs and EPSs, and I'm also gonna add SVGs, which stand for scalable vector graphics. When you get some of these, those are the extensions for those. So if you got one of those, you got yourself a scalable, you know. So ask your designer and or designer, you get on it about giving these people what they deserve, you know. Give them the difference. Know your difference from raster image or vector image, because a vector image, oh man, you can do a lot and you'll have a longevity out of your logo for your brand, so you can push your brand to a higher point, you know, and it won't look like this. So, okay, so here's a few more. This is a raster image or a raster image, however you pronounce it, but that is a pixel-based image, vector image. Same image, better quality, high quality. Here's another one, low resolution, high resolution vector. See, you know, it just looks better. So I want to show you guys one quick thing real quick, and we're going to get up out of here. And I'm sorry about the audio. I know you can only hear out of one ear. Basically, I'm going to take this circle, don't matter how it is. This program that I'm using is a program for pictures, a picture editing program, and it's made up of pixels. So when I zoom in, boom, you can see the pixels. It may look like an okay image right here, but that's what I designed it as. This is the size that I put this in, and that's what it is. After I press enter, that's it. But you still can see the pixels because it's made up of pixels. Ain't no way around it. If I zoom in, I'm going to see these pixels in this image, especially around the edge. Check how jagged that edge is. But when I squint it down, press enter, it's even worse. Look at it. You see how and I'm gonna stretch it back out, and then press enter, and I'm gonna stretch it back down, and it get worse and worse every time I do it. I'm getting a cell phone call right now. Excuse that. Okay, so I'm just stretching it back out, pressing enter, stretching it back down, pressing enter, stretching it back out, pressing enter, and stretching it back down, pressing enter. Look at that. Look. That's what's happening to you guys' pictures. So now when I pull it back out, it's not as sharp. It's blurry. Like it may not look that bad, but let me show you this. Now, this other program that I'm in right now is a vector-based program, meaning it's made up of paths. These are paths. I can try to draw out a circle, but I could do a better job, but it ain't even got to be a circle. Look. Okay, so let me just show you. I'm pressing enter, right? And look how clean. I'm zooming in. From here, I'm zooming in. Zoom in. Right now, I'm at 51%. Look, zooming in. Right now, I'm at 6,400% zoomed in. Look how clean. Look how clean the edges are. And they will forever be clean. Because why? It's not made up of pixels. Now that you understand, you will ask ask yourself, am I getting a vector-based logo, or am I getting a picture-based logo, which is a raster or a pixel? Yeah, pixel or raster-based logo. Which one am I getting? I would love for everyone to get a, if you was gonna make it a logo, a long longevity thing, not because the prices are higher, because I own a graphic design business, and that has nothing to do with it. I'm looking out for you as far as in, oh, you coming back, Mo, this is not what I wanted. I wanted this for this price, but I didn't really know the differences. Stay away from the pixels, you guys, unless you're doing something like a flyer, what I say, a t-shirt design or something like that is going to stay the same size, and you want it already big, so you kind of just shrink it just a tad bit and it won't lose quality or whatever like that. Or you want a flyer or a banner or something like that, it's going to be specific to size, and it's going to stay that specific size. Then you get raster images or pixel-based images or flyers or designs or something like that made. But if you're going logo, you're going to want that baby to stretch. You're going to want to put it on lighters, buttons, stickers, anything, cars, anything. You're going to want that baby to stick. So like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Please share it to your friends, your fellow friends, any entrepreneurs. Y'all just share this around. Thank you for watching this video and staying tuned in all the way through. I'm probably at 10 minutes because I can talk, but stay tuned in. I'm going to be dropping more videos, and I'm going to get this left side sound fixed soon, you guys. So thanks for watching.